Now take a citrus marinated turkey, oven roasted, add guacamole and toasted baguette, and you will have the most wonderful turkey sandwich you've ever had. Stay tuned, sit back to see just how easy it is to make this restaurant quality sandwich at home. Hello, my angels. I'm Angel, culinary school grad, retired prep cook, and retired line cook. Welcome to my channel and to another video. Let's get started. Here are the wine pairings for this turkey sandwich. I will go with a Pinot Noir and a Zinfandel. Pinot Noir, the red wine, is a light body, low alcohol wine with medium to high acidity, and it has flavors of spicy cloves, geranium, and blackberry. The Zinfandel, the rosé, is a medium to full body wine with high alcohol, medium acidity, and it has flavors of berries, briar, and black pepper. Yeah. there anything about this turkey sandwich not to like? I don't think so. Try making it yourself. Let me know down in the comments if you do and if you enjoyed making it. Try placing some of your favorite herbs and spices in the center and see how well you make your restaurant-style sandwich. So tell me, how do you like this recipe? You know, if you like it, be sure to give me a like, a thumbs up. Please leave a comment down below. I'll come back for the next one. I'll see you then. Bye. Check out this next video that YouTube believes you'll like. Thanks for watching. And as always, please be the blessing to someone. Many blessings and much favor until we meet again. And I'll see you next time.